Hari Om children, let us start the session. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om. Again, take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Start beginning prayer.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्
Learning objectives: to know about exhaustion, to know about archaeologists, to know some examples of exhaustions. Hari Om children, today we are going to learn about the lesson Ancient Exhaustion. Let us see children.
How very true, dear. But when I was young, I used to play outdoors all the time. How did you play, Grandma, when it was hot? Yeah, dear. When I was young, our neighborhood was full of trees and I used to play in the shade of trees. Wow, really? I wonder how people lived in those days. Do you know there is a way to know and understand how people lived in those days? How is that possible, Grandma? Tell me more about that. Of course, dear. Have you ever found a seashell while digging in the beach? Yes, Grandma. Similarly, there are people who dig the earth at various places to find the things that people used before. These people are called archaeologists, and the process is called excavation.
So, now children, can you guess about what we are going to discuss today? Yes, Unit 1, Ancient Excavation. Excavation lead us to learn more about the ancient civilization, artifacts, Roman culture, and so on. Let us learn more about excavation. What do you mean by excavation? Excavation is the process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. All forms of archaeological excavation require great skills and careful preparation. It has been classified as planned and accidental or rescue. Most excavations are properly pre-planned and their purpose is to find buried evidences from the site. Our next topic is about archaeologist. Who is an archaeologist? They study the history of humans and places through excavation, and also they can tell a lot about people who lived there by looking at their houses, clothes, bones, and other artifacts. Interesting examples found through ancient excavation. Let us see some interesting examples from the world. Number 1 is pyramids in Egypt. During excavation, small pyramids, huge tomb with superstructure, and skeletons were found in Egypt. Small pyramid shows that it were made for the queens. Huge tomb with superstructure were built for the burial of the royal family. Skeleton gave information about the average height and age of the people. Second one is Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century, and it shows baked bricks. The city had well planned, proper sanitization system, proper well and way to direct wastewater to closed drains, and also advanced granaries, great bath and protective wells. Therefore, it shows that it has very advanced for their time. Let us discuss about the places with artifacts in Tamil Nadu. There are many places in Tamil Nadu where excavation had happened, namely Adichanallur, Arikamedu and Kiradi. Adichanallur in Thoothukudi districts. The artifacts unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, iron implements, daggers, swords, spears and arrows, some stone beads, and a few gold ornaments. The people were skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. Bronze objects representing domestic animals and wild animals like tiger, antelope and elephant have been unearthed. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Pondicherry. During the excavation, Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, wine containers, etc. has been found. It was also observed that the traders traveled from west coast, Ceylon and around the Ganges to trade goods such as gems, pearls, spices and silk. Kiradi is one of the ongoing excavation site in Tamil Nadu. The artifacts such as pottery, beads of glass, gold ornaments, shell bangles, pearls unearthed in this region have a possible link between the script of Indus Valley Civilization and Tamil Brahmi. According to Tamil Nadu Archaeological Department, the report explained the importance of the findings, mentions that among the available scripts of India, the Indus scripts are considered to be the earliest one and were 4,500 years old. Excavation have produced evidence for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system. So far, 5 phases of excavation has been completed. In this, 900 ancient artifacts have been unearthed. Children, where are the artifacts kept after excavation?
Recapitulation. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Pondicherry. Archaeologists study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze artifacts. Learning outcome. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Indus civilization is also called Harappa civilization.
Sit down on the ground comfortably. Without moving your head and neck, look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now, alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
Let us conclude this video. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति